As you see this car front, no need to tell you say better soup na money kill am. This is AZERA 2023 model. I don't know who vex Hyundai. I don't know who vex them at all. If it be Mercedes, if it be BMW, because they don't pack everything. See the inside this car just like Rolls Royce. See, just like this is tear leather. Let me even tear the leather small. You see, tear leather. See proof, evidence there. Oh, this car mad. The car choke. The car too clean and it's brand new. I don't know who vex Hyundai. See the steering plus some bars where they see them. I don't know for what. See them abeg. This car just too clean. See double screen like Range Rover. Steering like Rolls Royce. See that there infotainment system. It's Apple that did it for them. This can have Apple CarPlay. It's 2023 model. No need to talk much about it. They are handled like Range Rover handled. No, now see, the car just there like robots. Robotic car. The car just mad everywhere. See the rim. Now Bentley they come with this kind of rim. And one thing that will shock you about the price is not too high. You know, say one thing about just hustle. Where if you just hear car price, you go think say the car cheap. Even now 1 billion, you go cheap. Nobody say you come they scream. They see where they buy this kind of cars. They know they go comment section they scream. People where they scream for comment section. Make I keep quiet. Thank you.